Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. As you can see, it's a different setup today because we are currently in Caesar's Palace in Las Vegas. I just wanted to do a really quick unboxing. I got something from TAG. I have been looking at this watch for a couple of months now and I wanted something very classic. So when the opportunity came that we are able to go to a TAG store, TAGHEUER, I feel like I'm butchering the name. Let's just get it over with. Paper bag. My daughter is just using my makeup. She's playing with my makeup right now. Anyways, so here's the box. Here is the instructions and guarantee card. And this is what I got. It's the acquaracer with a mother of pearl in gold and silver or steel. The lighting is not doing it any justice, but this is what it looks like. I wanted to go for something classic, and this just reminds me of the Rolex with the gold tone, the dual tone. Nothing too flashy in it, no diamonds, just simple mother of pearl. Here are the extra links. Quick change of outfit since lunchtime happened. When I was at the store, it was around probably lunchtime, and the sales associate was very helpful. I just found out that these watches, the acquaracer, could go up to 300 meters underwater. I've always thought that fancy watches are supposed to be taken off. For example, if you're gonna wash dishes or wash your hands. So he said that these types of watches are considered as diving watches. So it's meant to be submerged in water. I'm not saying that, you know, go ahead and submerge it in water, but I was asking him, can I use it, let's say, in the swimming pool because it has chlorine, right? And he said, yeah, just like when you're going, let's say, in seawater, you just rinse it off with water, rinse the watch off with water, and you're good. Sorry, my daughter is putting lipstick all over my body. So anyways, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.